Hi friends, welcome. We'll continue learning our AI tools which we have generated, and this time we'll create a social media post by using our own application. So this application can be deployed in your website or in your local host also, or as a application, desktop application also can be used. This time we are using PHP as the language. You can switch over to the any other language also, will generate the prompt, and also you can entire source code, you can download it, modify it, and I will tell you also how to add the more features to this particular application, so you can give it to your users to use it and create the different posts for social media. We'll learn all about this. Visit this URL, this there in the description. Just scroll down, you will get a link here. Here you can see how the API keys are taken from the Google Gemini by using Google AI Studio. Just watch this 3 minutes video, you will get your API key. This script will learn in two parts. In the part 1, we'll generate the prompt, and in the part 2, we'll pass the prompt and get the output and display it to the user. In the part 1, it's just a string replacement. Watch this paragraph. This paragraph has a keyword in between. So this keyword will replace it and generate a fresh prompt every time you use it. Say daily you want a different keyword to be used. Take it randomly or sequentially a keyword from a list of arrays, and this place in the keyword we can replace it. How we replace this keyword? That is, here it is, we are using PHP. So we are using stri replace function. This function identify the word matching. This is a case insensitive replacement, so lowercase, uppercase both doesn't matter. So it will just place your keyword sentence or keyword in that particular area. You can even go for multiple locations replacement also. You can further expand this. So this way we'll generate the prompt. Here is the part 1, or how we'll generate the prompt. This entire source code you can download it. So I will show you that. Now you see here I have an array of keywords. So from here one of the array randomly is collected. So it's first time when I run it, one keyword is taken, second time another keyword is taken, and now below that you can see my entire text is here. So this is the paragraph which my prompt is. Now in this paragraph you watch this particular keyword. So here is my keyword. So this keyword get replaced from one of the keyword taken from this array. So every time I run it, this keyword places there. Now what happens here is below that there is a simple, it checks per here is my final prompt. That paragraph, the keyword is replaced with from the array of keywords whatever is there, and the output is given here. It's just a simple HTML output, what by telling us the prompt what we are going to do. Let's see the output. Here is the page I have opened in my local host in my browser. So you can just see this is the keyword what is being taken, and this keyword is replaced here. So every time I refresh this page, this keyword, if another keyword is taken randomly, and this point is replaced. So now let me just see, this is another keyword. Now one more keyword is taken from that list and placed it to generate a prompt. Now this is my prompt. So create a 1500 character Google My Business post on, then I given my keyword, then I have given what are the audience, where I should focus, then tone. All these are part of the prompt. We will see, that's a different discussion how you will create a prompt. But now we have replaced the keyword. Now our prompt is ready. You have seen a simple way to generate the prompt. You can make it more interactive, or you add more features like the focus, audience, all this you can ask the users to select from a drop down, and where here it is going to Google My Business. You can even ask it is for the LinkedIn, or it is for the Facebook, or whatever, Instagram, whatever you want, that you can give a choice to the user. So accordingly the paragraph will keep changing, and finally the paragraph will be generated. Now part 2. Now you can see the first part ends here. So now the second part starts from here. Let's move it up. Part 2. Here what we did is the prompt we pass it to our AI model or backend by using the API key. Now first thing what it requires is a API key, application programming interface. So now this API key, how you will get it? That 3 minutes video whatever I have explained it, that use that one. So there it is entirely explained, and keep it inside a separate file. It is not a good practice to expose it here. So it is inside my setting that particularly that API key is available. Now that API key I am using it. Now is the same one I am generated exactly passing by using the, here you can see I am using the curl here, final prompt. Here it is, the final prompt, whatever I have generated before, the same prompt I am passing it, sending to the API to sending to the my AI model. Here it is Gemini, and finally getting the output here. So this is generated social media post. Now let's see how this output looks. Here it is, my output is here. You can just see in this browser I have opened the same page. Now what happens, initially the part 1, it is the prompt which is come up to this, and in the second part here it sends it to the backend Gemini, and it gets back the output. Here is the keyword Python file handling. Now the generated post is here. So you can just copy it and you post it in your using this particular keyword. This is a simple script. The language doesn't matter here. If you are using Python, you may have to use a different string replacement function, and that will generate the prompt and you can pass it. That also we have already discussed. I will leave the description, the link in the description below, so you can use that or read that also. Here you will get the entire source code. This link is there in the description. Visit this particular page and scroll down. You can understand the concept here easily. We generate the prompt, then pass it to the backend API by using API to the tool, and then Gemini, or it can be ChatGPT also. So and get the output. Here it is, part 1 by using str replace, because this is a PHP script. So if it is a Python, some other function you have to use. And then part 2, in the part 2 we have connected to the Gemini API using that key, and backend pass the prompt and get the output. So here it is, again the keywords are here and the paragraph is here. Keep changing this paragraph based on your requirement, your post and all. You can do that. Then come down. Here is the part 1 ends, there the part 2. Here is your setting. This is where you will have to place your own API key, preferably in a different file, which not to expose it. So then select the model and pass it using curl. Curl is also a PHP specific function it is. So you get you the data. Now finally the output, what it is you get, it is the output is shown to the user, and that you can copy and directly paste it. Now further below that, it is a lot of you can do a lot of study here, customization, asking user to select the social platform or select the audience, select the tones, whatever you want, even multimedia post. All these ideas you can, by reading the second part, you can generate. This is the basis script, and this is the same script which you can extend it using these ideas. That's all, friends. So I am also using this same script to generate my social media posts many times, and I have also added little more features like a copy button, so I can just click and copy the text to my clipboard and paste it. So based on the URL, sometime I use keywords also, and multiple keywords also I use it, and generate the prompt. So I need not have to go to a chat window every time to generate this post and then copy it, then paste it there somewhere else. So that is how we can improve or develop our own applications. Hope you have enjoyed this and a good learning experience. And if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are adding frequently our tutorials also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.